what do you enjoy the most? I mean, like what task or what sorts of things sort of turn you on in this work?
Uh, well, about one of the things that I agree on is that this is something which I do not only do as, because it's our business or because, you know, it pays the bill, but this is something which I'm actually really excited about. I will first share what excites me about this because, uh, you see, when I count back to my teenager days when I was in college, right? I found courses, right? Those are actually, if we see it from a, from a uh, zoomed out point of view, if you take courses from established authors, right, you actually get a boost that your competitors are not getting, right? If you're learning from person who has already done and accomplished what you want to do in life, that literally gives you a boost, right? Without spending money or without making the mistakes that the same person has done. So I consider courses as one of the premium, I would not say premium, I would say one of the most important uh, learning mechanisms in my career. Even though college degrees and all those sort of things, right? The most important knowledge that I've got in my career are by going through courses from people who have actually accomplished what I want to do. Now that's what gets me to help our clients here, because at the end of the day I know that the courses that we create for our clients, right, are in turn going to touch the lives of hundreds and thousands of other people indirectly, right? I'm not helping those people directly, but I am empowering our clients, right, to change the lives of hundreds and thousands of people. This is what that makes me super excited to get up from my bed every morning, right? And this is one of the things I look forward to every single day that I'm working with our clients.
Yeah, super meaningful. It's meaningful for everyone involved. The course creator who typically comes with they're brilliant. They're brilliant people with this IP. They all have got these brilliant ideas, and and it's original, and so they have something they can put out into the world that adds to the lexicon of human knowledge that just is coming straight from here. And we have the job of taking that and turning it into something that's consumable and engaging for learners. So it's really a win-win-win. It's a lot of fun.